In this video I will show you how to download and install Sublime on Windows 11. Sublime Text is popular and lightweight code editor used by programmers, so let's install it. For this, go and open any web browser on your PC. Then in address bar type download Sublime and press enter. Click on first link pointing to download page of Sublime. I will provide this link in description. After that, click on Windows as I am downloading for Windows OS. I will provide this link description. Just wait and it will automatically download installation file for you. After completely downloading the file, go to the downloaded location. Then double-click on it to begin installation. If you get the pop-up, just click on Yes. Then follow the steps as shown in the video. We have successfully installed Sublime Text on Windows PC. Now you can go to search and type Sublime and then select it from the list to open it. In this way we easily download and install Sublime Text Editor on Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.